OneLift Pump Station by Oldcastle Infrastructure. OneLift is a submersible pump station designed for maximum efficiency. It utilizes smart design and innovative features to stand above competitors and deliver for any and all job sites. Simple, safe, and quick to install, this pump station is highly effective in a smaller footprint. OneLift is a single structure design, in contrast to traditional two-structure pump stations. Traditional pump stations often suffer from differential settlement. Over time, this can lead to operational and potentially total system failure. As a standalone structure, OneLift's stability and resilience offers longevity and reliability in a variety of applications. The rounded corner design leads to greater structural integrity, as well as greater storage volume. Additionally, this prevents sediment buildup for less maintenance and downtime. From standard duplex sewage and industrial requirements to larger capacity storm water conditions, OneLift pump stations are available in a variety of sizes to fit any application. The depth of each OneLift model can be adjusted by configuring additional stock structural riser sections. In addition to industry-leading features and design, Oldcastle Infrastructure's OneLift brings an unmatched level of cohesion to the pump station sector. Standard submittal routines often require engineers to review several sporadic equipment packages from different sources. In contrast, Oldcastle Infrastructure offers a single source for feedback, changes, and approval. This expedites design and delivery timelines and, in turn, installation. To further expedite installation time, all OneLift systems are pre-assembled in our manufacturing facility. Beginning with stock structural castings, followed by the installation of all interior mechanical components, pre-assembly ensures build quality, proper equipment, and critical fit prior to delivery. This avoids many of the problems associated with field-constructed systems, such as weather restrictions or mismatched components. Once the system has been thoroughly checked by our quality control team, it is broken down at structural joints and transported to the job site with most factory-installed equipment remaining in place. Once OneLift is delivered, installations take less than a day and require approximately 50% less space compared to traditional stations. Simple and reliable, Oldcastle Infrastructure's OneLift pump station provides an optimal solution for a variety of wastewater and storm water applications. For more information, visit oldcastleinfrastructure.com.